Okay, I'm up to 58 parts per million. I'm still climbing. I've got the 59. Oh Jesus! I've got the outside air coming in. I've got all the windows closed. I'm up to 59, and I'm parked on the street. There's nothing around me. The truck's idling. You can see it's up to 60. Well, it just dropped there. '61, '63. '62, '63. 65, 66, 67, 69, 68. Holy shit. No, it's dropping. It's weird. 60. I'm going to put the internal air on. 62. 68, that's with the internal air on. Up to 69, that's about the farthest I've... Oh, 70. 71. 72, 73. No, it's dropping. Anyway, that's what happens. And you can see I've got the windows closed. It's my Sierra.